Hey everybody, this is Lawrence and Ariel, and we are just at Peggy's Cove, or near it anyways. We're actually near a memorial walkway, which is just absolutely beautiful here, but it was for a Swiss Air flight for 111 back on September 2nd in 1998. So fortunately 229 women and men and children actually lost their life. And so pretty tough, but very, very beautiful walkway, and it's just a gorgeous place to go and just reflect. So really enjoy this. Look at this, eh? Wow. Well, if we go down here and walk through the marsh, boy, if you were a painter or a drawer, this would be beautiful. That's all water. This is a beautiful little walk. This is a trail walk that you just take down to, it's through a marsh. Actually, the ground is sort of floaty. It's really cool when you walk on it. It's like a sponge. But you take this all the way down basically to the ocean front, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So we had a ball doing this. And I think we're out here for, I don't know, good 45 minutes or so, even an hour. But so many different rocks and everything you can climb on, and just different views. But we had a lot of fun. And I'll tell you, the waves, so unpredictable. You can have like a 2-foot wave, and then all of a sudden it's like a couple behind it, or like 8-foot, 9-foot waves coming in. So yeah, just a lot of fun. Me, I'm reckless. I just go everywhere and anywhere. So I think the little wife had a couple of heart attacks when I was out here. So, but it was fun, a lot of fun. So really enjoy it out here, and just take your time. You know, the views are beautiful. So.
Oh, that's, wow, look at that.
This area from water crashing in. Look at the water.
Wow. Beautiful.
Want to get down so it gets wet?
No.
Kind of cool. Not bad. We'll go there and then we'll get up here. This is Peggy's Cove. This is absolutely beautiful here. So you'll see in here that there was a lot of boardwalks that they built during COVID, and it was just helped keep people separate. But now it just opens up everything so wide. So we had a lot of fun. And I'll tell you, some of the boardwalks they built and all the trails down, it's gorgeous. So enjoy it, have fun. We did, and I'll tell you, it is a worthwhile trip to take down to Peggy's Cove, because it was a lot of fun and just beautiful scenery. So we'll talk to you later, guys. So this is a campground that we found on Google, and it's just probably about 15 or 20 minutes away from Peggy's Cove, which was awesome. It was King Neptune Campground. It was only $50 a night, which is really good. And yeah, it was great. All the amenities, they had everything there. So we took power and showers and laundry room, you name it, they had it. Continue to like and subscribe, and we will continue to share our videos. This is one in Nova Scotia and many more to come. So thank you so much, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye.